Tired of saying just nice trip? Use these advanced words for your holidays. Serendipitous, something amazing that happens by chance. Example, we had a serendipitous encounter with a street festival in Rome. Transcendent, so extraordinary it feels beyond this world. Example, watching the Northern Lights was a transcendent experience. Exhilarating, extremely exciting and full of energy. Example, zip-lining over the jungle was exhilarating. Which of these words will you use in your next holiday story? Comment below.